If you touch it, parang tinutusok-tusok ng karayom ang mga kamay mo at saka makati. Dandelions. Okay. Yung bulaklak ng dandelions, ang ganda ng kulay, yellow.
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day, yeah. Hmm? It's a bug. It's a bumblebee.
Yeah.
It's very old. The trees are very old.
My Fanu Highcock Poetry Trail.
In Wales,
Libri Bardonius, my Fanu Highcock.
grabe ang mga kahoy, oh. Ang laki-laki. You tired? We just started.
Look at me, I'm tired.
Bluebells. Ito ay mga bluebells.
We in the woodland.
Do you like woodland?
Yes. Cause it's daytime. Cause the rain. I like this on the bed.
This looks like an obstacle in temperament.
Maybe,
Yeah.
Mommy.
Ang maririnig mo lang dito ay ang mga huni ng mga ibon.
We found this log. It's very slimy. I told you to it. I put it back. Bye-bye, slug. I don't want you to slug.
Why?
Because it's too slimy.
Okay. Ah! Nakakapagod.
Daddy,
Yeah.
brick there. Brick.
Oh, brick. Yeah, it's quite a few.
Bluebells. Oh. All around. Oh. It's really nice.
No, how dare you! Made me drop my stone. It's a marble. It's so special.
Yeah, that is special.
Thanks. Ah! There must be bugs here.
That is special.
Oh yeah. Wait, can I have? Or we
Yes.
can have... Oh wait, woodlouse. Woodlouse.
Should have gone down that way, mate.
Trees.
I feel more colder than
Yeah.
usual before because we're at the top of a mountain and we're under the big trees.
It's nice. Bago tayo pumunta sa grotto ay maglakad muna ng napakalayo at saka very steep. Exercise lang to. Gusto ko yung ganito maglalakad, exercise, hiking. Pahinga muna.
Picture.
Oh no.
There's a wasp.
Wasp.
I missed it.
to
Oh,
do.
that's a nice view up there. Very stunning talaga.
I'm very tired. I'm thirsty.
But
You are looking for a farm to buy? Because I want to have a farm? No? That is the Westmont School, high school.
Mountain is up there where we was.
You know when we gathered cow's manure? There, that one. Ito lang talaga ang libangan namin. All family, basta weekends, lalabas talaga kami. Saka dito sa UK, wala kong kaibigan. So yung parang kabanding ko lang ay ang family ko. The best feature here is that old stone wall. Very nice view.
That's the mast.
Oh, it's very nice view. On the top. The farm, the view, and this wall. It's a great feature.
look at
Daddy, wait, come here.
I done this piano.
Nandito na tayo sa Shell Grotto. Constructed around 1794. Oh, good.
Come here.
They call it Shell Grotto because there are shells inside, not outside. They stuck it at the wall. Oh, so itong kahoy na to, grabe. Look at this tree. Parang kakaiba ang forma. Parang ano siya, ewan ko lang. Take the dandelions.
But that doesn't look like Daddy Lion. That how Daddy Lion.
Yeah, they're the same. That's the seeds and the yellow is the flower.
Just blow it, Zach.
You see it?
Drove up there to
Yeah.
follow up.
Yeah, with
He's so good, huh?
hello, we're in the back room.